bring out the next one.
All right, so this is our last demo for the day, and this is Erik Hansen, who is CEO of Kraken Commerce.
Release the Kraken!
Welcome, Erik.
Hi, everyone. I'm the CEO of Kraken Commerce, and I'm talking about the Visual Parts Finder today. It's a project from Classy Llama and Kraken Commerce. So to kind of set the stage for this, let's pretend that I own a DeLorean, this beautiful stainless steel model from 1982, and I'm working on a project to turn it into a time machine. And one day I get in and I realize it just will not start. So I'm like, what is going on? I think about it for a bit, and I have this idea that I'm going to get online and shop for a replacement part. So I pop open the trunk, which is where the engine is, take a look around, and realize that there's a little wire by the battery that's been corroded. So let me see here. I hop onto the Visual Parts Finder website, select my manufacturer, 1982, the only year they were made.
Catch that, 88 million.
And then everything freezes because it's a live demo. All right, here we go. So it's something related to the electrical category, so I select that. Now, if I know the part number I'm looking for, I can type it in here. So let's say it's a flux capacitor. I already have one of those because I'm building a time machine, of course. So I scroll down the page. I can either look at the parts listing and try to identify it visually. But if I only am up under the hood and can just kind of look at the diagram or look at the layout of the engine, I might need to refer to this diagram. So hang with me here. This resolution is crazy. We'll roll with it. So we'll roll with it like it's 1982, 600 by 800, whatever. So I can click around, try to locate my part, and it was a wire to the battery. So here we go, the positive battery cable. So I'll go in and view the details on that. And we have, I've bought a lot of products from this site, of course. So I can go in and use the Magento Instant Purchase. And there we go. So let's talk about, of course, the mobile experience. If I have a massive phone, that's way too big. Anyway, if I have a phone that's like this big, I'm up under the hood of my DeLorean, and I am scrolling down, can zoom in, and buy my replacement part. So let's see here. Let's take a look at a back-end demo. All right, so we built on top of the Magento category structure. There are hotspots that are totally messed up in this resolution. But the idea is you can go in, you can drag these around, an admin can go in and type in a hotspot ID related to one or multiple products, and then move that around. So one client that's using this wanted to have their people go in and manually map this in the back end. They have a few thousand models. They needed to go import all of their old PDFs, kind of the old school way of doing this. And another merchant has like 300,000 models. So all that data is getting pulled in from an API. Because manually doing that in the admin would just take forever. So let's take a look at what happens when I get that replacement part in the mail. I'm using that massive wrench because I know what I'm doing. And I now have a working DeLorean, so I can finish building my time travel machine. So the Visual Parts Finder is currently powering 300,000 models for 30 different websites that are running on 3 different merchants. And it's all made possible by the flexibility inherent in the Magento platform. So if you want to learn more, just go to visualpartsfinder.com. Thank you.
Thanks, Erik.
Woo! Great
So-
Scott!